Nationwide anti-Israel protest in Bangladesh turned violent on Monday after an unruly mob targeted Israeli-linked businesses like the Bata KFC and Pizza Hut in different parts of the country. Police have arrested at least 49 people from across the South Asian nation in connection with vandalism of the shops and businesses during yesterday's demonstrations. Report of vandalism come at the Bogra, Sylhet and the Cox's Bazar and other areas after people from different walks of life, including the political, social, cultural and religious organization along with students and professionals, took to the streets in protest demanding an immediate end to the Israeli aggression in Gaza. A mob attacked a Bata showroom in Bogra and a KFC restaurant in Sylhet. In Cox's Bazar, a KFC and a Pizza Hut outlet were targeted by protesters who pelted stones at the establishments. The protests were also held near the US Embassy in Dhaka, where security was increased anticipating the gathering. Anti-American slogans were also heard during the protest, including some targeting the US President Donald Trump. Protesters with the Palestine flags shouting pro-Palestine slogans were also spotted at the protest. Following the violence, Inspector General of Police Baharul Alam also instructed the authorities to arrest the individuals responsible for vandalism across the country. Police said it is identifying culprits based on the video footage of the rallies, and any criminal act under the guise of the protest won't be tolerated. We have video footages of the attackers. They are being identified and will be arrested immediately. Police team are also currently working on this, the police added. The government does not impede any lawful protest. However, we will not tolerate any criminal acts under the guise of protest, a top police official added. While the interim government led by the chief advisor Mohammad Yunus condemned the violence, ousted Sheikh Hasina's Awami League termed the developments as a sign of the alarming rise of extremism in Bangladesh. This is more than a political crisis, it's a national emergency. Bangladesh risks becoming the next Afghanistan if the international community remains silent, the Awami League said in the statement after the violence. Hasina's party demanded accountability from the Yunus-led administration and said the rule of law must be restored. Democracy must be also reformed and revived, with Dr. Yunus must step down to make way for the free and fair elections. To the global community, act now, engage, raise your voices. The cost of inaction will be devastating just for Bangladesh, but for the regional and the global stability of the world, the statements added. Meanwhile, the Nobel laureate, the chief advisor Yunus, who earlier made a statement in support of Palestine, condemned the violence on Tuesday, saying actions will be taken against the people responsible for such violence. Bangladesh police have swiftly moved to take action over the violent and unlawful events that unfolded during the pro-Gaza protest in several cities on Monday. These attacks and acts of vandalism are an affront to the public safety and the rule of law, Yunus said in the statement. As of now, at least 49 individuals have been arrested in connection with these incidents. The police have acted swiftly and 2 cases have been formally filed. We'll have to see how the issues are